drag step, double step, drag step, double step, drag step, basic, 2 triples. 3 Kentucky drag, double step, drag step. Basic, 2 triples. Good job. Just a fun song, and if you ever listen to the words, it's cute. You're going to start with a turning cowboy and 2 triples, a turning cowboy and 2 triples. Ready? And your turn half on the cowboys. Ready? Left foot go. 2 triples. Turning cowboy, turn it half. 2 triples. Push off, left and right. 4 basic center box. 4 toe heels. That was part A and B. Part C is 2 rocking chairs, half each. So you'll brush a quarter, basic, the rest of the quarter, do a brush, quarter, basic to the front. If you don't want to turn, you don't have to. But I'll give you the option. Remember the rock backs are chained backwards. And you're going to do 4 toe heels forward. So let's do the 2 rocking chairs. Turn if you want. Half each. Ready? Left foot go. Rock back or chain backwards. And 4 toe heels forward. Now, it's got 4 stomp doubles. You're going to turn a quarter and we're going to do a Charleston. This Charleston's on the right foot. So you'll go to do the stomp double basic. Then Charleston, this one's got the rock step. So it's a double step, touch, front, toe, heel, rock step. And then you'll stomp double on the right foot. So you're going to alternate everything. You'll alternate stomp double. You'll alternate the Charlestons. So start without turning. Start with the left foot, do a stomp double. Ready, left foot go. Stomp double basic, Charleston, double step, touch, front, ball, heel, rock step, right foot, stomp double. Charleston, back of rock step, stomp double. Charleston, stomp double on the right. Charleston, stomp double. Charleston, stomp double on the right. Charleston, toe heel rock step, stomp double. Charleston, double step, touch front, toe heel rock step, and 1 more stomp double. Charleston. If you don't want to turn on the stomp doubles and do them all face in front, that's fine. It just gets really boring. But once you turn, you can watch Dorinda. Either look sideways or look at me. Then we go back and do part B, which is the push-offs, the turning basics, the toe heels. The ending is 2 turning rocking chairs, 2 rock backs, 1 double basic, which is a double step, rock step, and step.